Welcome to Civil Engineering Fanatics. In this video, we will discuss in detail the various length measurement units and their conversions used in civil engineering surveying. The table lists the main length measurements and their conversions to other units. By understanding these values, you can easily perform conversions without needing to memorize all the numbers. Let's discuss each conversions one by one. 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. 1 foot is equal to 12 inches. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. These are the basic formulas you are already familiar with. Keeping these in mind, we will move on to a few new units commonly used in technical surveying measurements. 1 rod or pole or perch equals 5.5 yard. 1 fathom equals 6 feet. These two measurements require more attention to remember. If you have fixed these two measurements, let's go to the next set. In civil engineering, one of the most common methods of measuring length is chain surveying. This method involves using chains to measure distance. There are various types of chains, such as metric chains, Gunter's chain or surveyor's chain, engineer's chain, revenue chain, and steel band or band chain. The most common type is the Gunter's chain or surveyor's chain. Let's study the measurements and units based on these chains. If we consider a Gunter's chain, a single chain, one chain is equal to 100 links. One link is 0.66 feet. Then converting 100 links to feet, we get one chain is equal to 66 feet. Now we can relate the chains to poles and furlongs. One chain equals 4 poles. But we know that one chain equals 100 links equals 66 feet. Then we can relate for poles equals 66 feet. So we get 1 pole equals 16.5 feet. Instead of memorizing the value of 1 pole, just memorize. 1 chain equals 100 links equals 66 feet equals 4 poles. Any other values can be calculated by simple calculations. Next, we have furlongs. 1 furlong is equal to 10 chains. Now, let's discuss miles and nautical miles. 1 mile equals 1,760 yard, which is equal to 8 furlongs, while 1 nautical mile equals 6,080 feet. We have already discussed the relation between yard and feet to centimeters and centimeters to meter, and vice versa. If you study the above relation, you can convert to any possible units as required. Hope you followed the units and conversions thoroughly. Once you properly understand this, the area units and conversions are found easy. Area and volume measurements and conversions are discussed in the next video. Follow for more.